Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to make steamed bread in the microwave without the steaming and in under 30 minutes. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're gonna get started with fermenting our yeast. I have 1 packet of yeast, which is equivalent to 10 grams, and I'm gonna add it in my cup, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I'm gonna add about a cup of water. I'm using a half a cup measure, so that's 2, and mix 1 cup. So because we're making steamed bread and it is a staple in South Africa, considered as a traditional food, I thought, how about we use a traditional mug, ceramic mug. So you want to mix it in, and we're gonna let this ferment for about 3 to 5 minutes. Should be fine. In my bowl I have 4 cups of flour. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. Gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm gonna mix that through. Now there's a theory that when you combine yeast and salt, the salt is gonna eat the yeast and kill it. I don't know, man. I've never proven the theory, but that's what experts say. Right, that's mixed in. Now, this is totally optional, but I don't like bland steamed bread. I'm gonna add chopped fresh parsley. I would add carrots, but I don't really like carrots in steamed breads. I don't know, man. I just don't like it. I think a little bit of green makes it pop, you know, and it's beautiful. So yeah, there's a lot that you can do. I actually have 2 steamed bread recipes, and they're both so different. The one has feta cheese, it has Robert peppers. You can try that one. Okay, our yeast is ready. As you can see, it's foamy. You don't want it to really be more than that, because then it's gonna go sour. We're gonna add it in here, and then we're also gonna add 4 tablespoons of oil, which is equivalent to a 1/4 cup. And I'm going to use my wooden spoon to mix. Today we are not getting dirty, honey. No. Today we are being lazy. All right. When you also ferment the yeast, make sure it's warm water, not hot, not cold, so that the yeast can be activated. I'm also gonna keep adding half a cup of warm water until I get the consistency that I am looking for. Of course, you can find all the ingredients in the description box down below. They will be written down for you, honey, and you don't have to struggle. There's the second one. This time I want it a little bit on the softer, runnier side because I'm not going to use my hand to knead. Okay. Now I saw this method of making steam bread on TikTok. I forgot the lady, but she made steam bread in the microwave oven, and I was intrigued. And she said it's supposed to be done within 5 minutes. So today we're testing the theory. I hope it works because that would be a game changer. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna need this off camera because I can't keep still and I'm not gonna use my hands, honey. Okay guys, I did clean out my bowl. I'm gonna smear it with oil because I do want to cook the steam bread in this very dish bowl Tupperware. So you want to smear the bowl so that the steam bread doesn't stick. And it's very easy to remove after cooking. Dang, bro. Then I'm gonna place back our dough, guys. So you want to knead it until it looks this soft and smooth. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of oil on top. And smear it all over. Alright. Okay guys, so here's the microwave. To prove the dough, you're gonna close your microwave and put it on high heat for 1 minute with nothing in it. Then you're gonna close the dough, not too tight, right, so that it doesn't blow up in there. Close it like this, still loose. Quickly open your microwave, pop it in there and close. Then set your timer for 20 minutes and it would have proofed. Okay guys, our 20 minutes is done, so let's check. And there you go. It has proved so beautifully, so nicely. Now let's take the cooking test, okay? I'm gonna taste it for you. I'm gonna place it in the microwave and then I'm gonna put on 5 minutes. Let's do 5 minutes 30 seconds just, and we'll be back. Just make sure to take off the cover so that it doesn't basically bomb on you. Okay guys, it's done now. Moment of truth. Okay, moment of truth. Oh baby, you lie. You are okay. I can see it's not done quick to the core because mine was a little bit too much, the dough. So I'm gonna put it for the extra 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now let's check it one more time. I hope it's done. Well, it looks done. It looks done, guys. I think I'm gonna put it for more like for 3 more minutes because she didn't explain that you need how much dough. So my mixture was for the last time 3 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop it because I think it's done now because it was only the top that was not done, but through it was. So it's done, guys. Okay, let us cut through it, guys. So let's see. The bowl is hot. It's hot. What? What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you like, what are you saying, honey? What? Okay, let's cut through it. Oh, honey. Oh, it's so soft. Guys. Yo, shout out to that girl. Guys, can you see how soft it is? Like, it is so, oh my God. Guys, can you see this? Like, I don't, yo. I don't want to demo. Guys, I hope this thing is focusing. It's not. Guys, yo. Okay, let's taste. Tastes good, guys, but for me, I think I needed to add a little bit of more of sugar, just a teeny tiny, maybe like a 2 teaspoons more. But the fact of the matter, honey, how to make steam bread in under 30 minutes, literally. Okay guys, bye. Please subscribe, comment down below, and let me know if you tried it. How did it go? Did you like it? Do you like the taste? Comment down below, guys, and show me some love. Now see you on the next one.